Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna unbox JBL Charge. Before we do that, subscribe and like the video. Let's get into the video. 20 hours of battery, IP7 waterproof. So you can charge it from your speaker. So you can charge your phone, tablets, iPads, iPhones if the speaker is fully charged. You can download the JBL Connect app. You can connect multiple together, up to 100 speakers together. Booklets. We have USB-C charger. The waterproof case, same material as Charge 3 and the Charge 4. Very light, smaller compared to Charge 3. Charge 3 is quite bulky. You have USB-C charger, audio jack, and you have a USB where you can charge your other devices. Let's give it a try. as you see, it is quite loud. But if you are a person who already have JBL Charge 3 or 3.4, is it worth upgrading? Probably not, because it's sound pretty much the same, but the only thing is you have it's more of a high bass speaker compared to the older ones. So is it worth for paying other £100 extra to buy a new one? If you're buying a new one, yes, it is better to get a new model than the older one, where they will be upgraded when the software will be upgraded, so you will have less of a problem when you come to the Bluetooth connections, where the older one tend to have issues. If you're buying a new one, yep, I'll leave a link below for Amazon. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe.